Hey there, fellow home cooks and appliance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky error codes to keep your kitchen running smoothly. Today, we're tackling the GE Cooktop Error F152 on 2025 models. If you've ever glanced at your cooktop and seen that dreaded F152 flashing, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can leave you scratching your head. But don't worry, in this video, we'll demystify it step by step so you can get back to whipping up your favorite meals in no time. First off, what exactly is Error F152? In GE cooktops from 2025, this code typically signals a problem with the surface element sensor or a communication error between the control board and the heating elements. It might pop up due to a faulty sensor, loose wiring, or even a power surge that disrupted the system. The good news is that it's often something you can handle yourself without calling in a pro right away. Let's dive into troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your cooktop from the power source for at least 30 seconds. This simple reset can clear minor glitches. Once it's back on, check if the error persists. If it does, inspect the wiring connections around the affected burner. Make sure everything is secure and free of any burns or damage. You might also want to clean the sensor area gently with a soft cloth to remove any buildup that could be interfering. If these steps don't do the trick, it could be a deeper issue like a defective sensor or control board. In that case, grab your owner's manual for model-specific advice or consider consulting a certified technician. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never attempt repairs if you're unsure, as dealing with electrical components can be risky. Wrapping this up, Error F152 is usually fixable with a bit of patience and basic checks. By following these tips, you'll be back to cooking in no time. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance fixes, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.